Friends, we are going to discuss calculation of cash price when cash price is missing in the question. In one of the method of recording, our question starts with the cash price. Moreover, depreciation on the asset in the books of hire purchaser has to be provided on cash price. So cash price must be known to us in the question. But if cash price is missing, how do we calculate the cash price? For that, we'll prepare a table with 6 columns. 6 column table will be prepared, and if there are 3 installments, we'll start from the third installment. If there are 4 installments, we'll start with the fourth installment. To third installment, closing balance, installment, total interest, and opening balance. Actually, we are moving reverse to find out the cash price. How we are moving reverse, I'll let you know. We'll start from the third installment. These installments amounts are given to us in the question. Third installment will be 20,000, second installment 30,000, first installment 40,000. This is given to us in the question. Installment always include interest element also. So when the third installment is paid, third installment being the last installment, closing balance will be nil. So this will always be nil because this is a third installment. When third installment is paid, closing balance will be nil. Total of the second and third column will be the fourth column. So nil plus 20,000, it will be 20,000. On 20,000, interest will be calculated by multiplying with the rate upon 100 plus rate. If it is 5%, it will be 5 over 105. If it is 10, then 10 upon 110. Why 110? I will let you know. So on 20,000, 10 upon 110, it comes out 1818. So fourth column minus fifth column will be the sixth column. Actually, this is the amount in the beginning of third year, which is the amount payable to the vendor, beginning of the third year. We wanted to calculate interest on this figure, which is 10%. If we calculate 10% of this, it comes out this. But this figure was not known to us, that is why we calculated on this. 10% of this or 10 upon 110 of this means the same thing. So whatever we calculate on this figure with 10 by 100, same figure can be calculated upon this figure with 10 upon 110. So that is why we calculated with 10 upon 110. Actually, this was the opening balance. This is the interest. This is the total amount. Installment is paid. Balance is nil. We were to move towards this. But because this was not known to us, that is why we are going reverse. Okay. So closing balance nil, installment given, total of the two will be 20,000. On this, interest will always be calculated by multiplying with the rate upon 100 plus rate. Then fourth column minus fifth column will be our sixth column. Opening balance of third installment will be the closing balance of second installment, because balance carried on of the second year will become the opening balance of third year. So closing balance of second year will be this. This installment amount is given to us in the question. Total of the two this. On this, interest will be calculated. Interest comes out this one. This minus this will be the opening balance. Again, that opening balance will be carried on to the first year. Then this installment is given. Total of the two this. Interest on this will be calculated as this. Fourth column minus fifth column is the sixth column. So this is the amount payable in the beginning of first year. So how do we calculate cash price? तो cash price will be opening balance of first year plus down payment if any, तो 76,184. Let us suppose 20,000 is the down payment. This is given to us in the question. So our cash price will be 96,184. If down payment is not there, then this will be the cash price. This is how we calculate a cash price when it is not given. We are moving actually reverse. From third installment we reach to the beginning of the first year, first installment. Before the payment of interest, what was the amount payable to the vendor? Then that amount plus down payment, if any, that will be our cash price. This is how we calculate cash price if it is not given in the question. Thank you.